In the upcoming Velox release, your clinic's third-party billing options have changed. These changes will include more advanced methods of processing cash patients, such as ways to document partial payments and adjustments, and storing more information than before. These options can be accessed from the third-party invoices page from under the billing category, which is previously titled Cash, or from the billing component of the Encounter page. From the Encounter page, the bottom right menu will have a couple new options and some familiar ones. You can still change the charged amount per service by clicking on the cash value in green, and your Edit button will work the exact same, still allowing you to assign the billing type, billing schedule, and the payer. The Invoice button now works similarly to the Receipt function in the past, but the invoice will include additional information to provide a more complete record of dues and payments. Clicking the Pay button will now show a complete history of payments. Whereas previously, the function worked by updating a single value, now the payment menu will allow users to log specific payments and adjustments. Clicking Add Payment at the bottom right will document a payment. This involves selecting your date of payment, the dollar amount paid, the name of the paying party, and if needed, specifying a payment method. You can also include a reference number. When you're happy with it, click Save. Adding adjustment works just the same way, intended to be used when a clinic has agreed not to charge for a certain amount. Note that after an adjustment or payment has been made, it will be assigned a unique ID number on the left side. To edit any payment or adjustment, simply mouse over the payment and select the Edit icon, or click the Delete icon to remove it. After you've done your changes, click the checkbox to save it. If you'd like to see your payment information in full, click Details. We are now taken to the third-party invoice page. The top right corner will show you invoice details, such as the invoice number and payment status. To change your schedule and payer from here, you can click the Edit button. If you'd like to add a note to your invoice, click Add Invoice Note. As with before, you can change the charge amount by clicking on the green Encounter values. The third-party billing menu will display additional details, such as a tooltip to denote values that have been manually edited. Mousing over the tooltip will show you the original pricing before edit. You can also log and edit payments or adjustments from the section below. The section at the bottom right will provide any relevant totals for this bill. The cash billing search page has now been replaced with third-party invoice search. It can still be accessed from under the billing menu. It functions identically to before, still allowing you to search and total for your cash patients. Parameter-wise, you can now search by invoice number if you'd like to find a specific patient.